The popularity of smartphone photography has created a growing demand for camera magnifiers and adapters. Whether you're snapping wildlife, inspecting details, or just want a bigger view for media consumption, the right magnifier can elevate your phone's performance. List upgraded telescope phone adapter, rotatable 360 degrees binocular photo adapter for Android and iPhone. This upgraded telescope phone adapter is a dream for stargazers and bird watchers who want to capture distant views through binoculars or telescopes. With a rotatable 360 degrees design, it easily adjusts to align your phone's lens with the optical device. It supports most Android and iPhone models. List number: phone lens by Alun, 3-in-1 clip-on, 180-degree fisheye, plus 0.65x wide angle, plus 10x macro lens. The Alun 3-in-1 clip-on lens kit is an affordable and compact solution for those who want variety in mobile photography. It features a 180-degree fisheye lens, 0.65x wide angle lens, and 10x macro lens, offering creative flexibility in every shot. The lenses attach easily via a clip and work with most smartphone models, whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes, close-up details. List number: 12-inch screen magnifier, 3D HD mobile phone magnifier projector screen enlarger for movies. This 12-inch 3D HD screen magnifier turns your phone into a mini movie screen. Ideal for watching Netflix, YouTube, or browsing social media, it provides a clear, enlarged display to reduce eye strain and enhance viewing comfort. The foldable, lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. It supports most phone sizes and doesn't require any power source. List number
4. 12-inch 3D HD screen magnifier amplifier projector screen for movies, videos.
This 12-inch screen amplifier offers a nearly identical experience to the previous model, but adds a sleeker frame and upgraded clarity. The curved acrylic lens provides a more immersive viewing angle, enhancing the 3D feel. It's ideal for streaming movies, video calls, or reading lengthy articles. Compatible with most smartphones. This screen magnifier is lightweight. List number 5. Apexel 120x zoom macro lens kit for cell phones, pocket microscope camera with selfie light for extreme close-ups and macro photography. The Apexel 120x zoom macro lens kit stands out. It transforms your phone into a pocket microscope, letting you capture intricate details like plant cells, textile fibers, or circuit boards. The included LED selfie light enhances visibility and clarity, even in dim lighting. Designed to fit most smartphones, the lens attaches securely and provides crisp,